Now we are going to this browser. So this is our software installation part. So get started. System requirement check. All the system requirements is now okay except YZ. So we just only do not meet about YZ. Except YZ, all other modules are installed here, no problem. So YZ is not mandatory, it is optional. Without YZ modules, we can continue our Z39, no problem. So click next. Our option is install SLiMS. So here we need something like database host. We need database host name. So it is localhost by default, no problem, since we are using name and password. So we need 3 items, right? So we need 3 items. Let me show you. We need database name. We need database username and DB user password. We need these 3 things. How can we get this? To get this, we need to go to dashboard like this one. Here you can see PHPMyAdmin. Just click on PHPMyAdmin. It will come. So this is PHPMyAdmin. That means directly write localhost/PHPMyAdmin. No problem. See here, you can directly write this one, localhost/PHPMyAdmin. So this is PHPMyAdmin part. Click here database and create a database name. So I am giving a name that is pk.slims9. No, okay, I'm giving a simple name, SLiMS PK. SLiMS PK. Okay, I'm going to give you a simple name that is SLiMS PK. So my database name is going to be SLiMS PK. Here, this option you must create UTF-8 Unicode CI. For local language, Unicode-based language, you must use this option minimum, UTF-8 Unicode CI. And now click create. So check here again. Your database name is SLiMS PK and the option is UTF-8 Unicode CI. So my database name is SLiMS PK. Okay. Now by default, here we can show you one thing. You don't need to do this. I just for showing you, I'm going to see. Here are our databases. So SLiMS PK, check privileges. So users, the username is root, and by default it has no password. So my username is root, and by default it has no password. So DB username has no password blank. So database name SLiMS PK, username root. So I have found all these three information. Whenever I have these three information ready, I can go now to SLiMS installation page. So hostname is localhost, no problem. Database name SLiMS PK. Username root and password none. So we can leave it. Click test connection. See, connection okay. Then click next. We are on second part, installation. From here, generate sample data. We can, yes, please. We can generate sample data. If you don't want to install sample data, you may use no. But for better understanding about how SLiMS are used, how bibliographic data can be inputted, how can we entry our library resources, you can see the formats, then we can use this option. Please. Yeah, someone talking.
Wait.
If you, okay, let me. Okay. So in this page, personally, I recommend you use please, yes, please, this one option, so that you can better understand how bibliographic catalogs are being done in SLiMS. And then super user profile, that means master user. Who is the super admin? His admin configuration part is here. Username by default admin. For this installation part, I am going to use this admin, no problem. And our password will also be admin. Remember this one. Username admin, password admin. Okay. So within with this configuration, we are going to run the installation folder. Click run the installation. It will create a database, tables on database and other things. So new SLiMS installation successful. For security folder, for security reason, SLiMS advised us to remove or rename installation folder. Okay. See, we have successfully installed SLiMS. Okay, we have successfully installed our SLiMS. Now go to your htdocs folder, SLiMS 9. Here you can see this install. Okay, they suggested me to remove or rename this folder. I will do that, but little bit later. Now I need to log in. So how can I log in as admin part? Before going to log in, let's see the OPEX. So this is simple search interface. Whatever you know, that is author, subject, ISBN, you can type here and hit enter for searching option. Or if you know specific information, you can go to advanced search and use this option: title, subject, collection type, GMD, author, ISBN, ISSN, location, everything you know, then you can refine your search from here. Okay. So here are library information part. So you can configure your library information. You don't need to know any coding. Just from your admin panel, you can do it. It's like Microsoft Word. You can upload your library news time to time. Here is help option how to search this catalog. Library and profile can be shown here. And this is member area. Members can log in with their given ID password. And the interactive part is language. See, this is my Bengali language. So, and now your Urdu, this is Urdu language. So all the pages, some more improvements required. Hope you contribute more. So,
Sure, inshallah, Nurul Sahab.
inshallah.
We are working on there.
Yeah. Okay. So pardon, you probably did not see my screen, right? Can you see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Probably earlier, probably you missed my screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then I'm going to show you again. Okay, okay. So I'm going to the process again. I'm extracting this one. So you can see my screen, right? Okay. So I'm going the process again. I have downloaded this file from GitHub, that means PSLiMS website, and now unzip this. Can you confirm that you can see my screen?
Yes.
You can
Yes,
see my,
everyone.
sorry,
Everyone can see.
everyone can see, okay?
Yes.
Okay, okay, everyone can see, okay, okay.
I think
Okay,
you carry on your further next step. This step will be provided inshallah on recording.
okay, okay, okay. So, okay, we will discuss this issue later. If anyone missed, no problem. So I'm going to this option here. So now you can see here, home, information, news, help, library, and member area, all the options are here, but there is no option for library and login. How can we log in? Librarian can log where? So the simple trick is just go to any option like information, news, or health, like any one. So you can also click member area. And at this level, go to this URL and replace the term after equal sign. After equal sign, replace the term with login. See, this is the library automation login page. Here you will provide your ID password. This is the ID password we set during our installation. That is admin and admin. Yes, it is. This is our library automation administration page. Now see this message your server. Please remove it or rename to another name for security reason. You are logged in as super user. With great power comes great responsibility. One of my favorite quotes. Okay, so to remove this line, now we are going to